Let's learn the best export settings in Premiere Pro for 2024. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Begin by selecting your timeline and pressing Ctrl+M to open the export window. Set the format to either H.264 for standard MP4 or HEVC, H.265, for better compression and file size. For quick exports, use the adaptive medium or high quality presets. Otherwise, in the Video tab, choose Match Source for optimal resolution and frame rate. Avoid upscaling, e.g. 1080p to 4K, as it reduces quality. Check Render at maximum bit depth for enhanced quality. Under encoding settings, select High for the profile and set the level to 4.2. Use VBR2 Pass for better quality and efficiency. Adjust the target bitrate based on YouTube's recommendations for ideal quality and file size. For audio, set the bitrate to 320 kbps for the best sound quality. At the bottom, check Use Maximum Render Quality. Save these settings as a preset for future use. Finally, click Export to render your video. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.